Alright, so here's where we're at with the 300 so far. I got my intake finished, which is just a good single plane intake that I made. I got a throttle body here from a Ford Probe, which is just as big as it needs to be for this application, honestly. Got my turbo header done over there. Got 42-pound injectors in it now. Got my throttle position sensor wired up. Came to a problem. Tried turning it over, no oil pressure. Looked in the, took the oil pressure sensor and everything off and the feed line for the turbo. There was nothing in there. Couldn't figure it out. Took off the oil filter. It was also bone dry after cranking it, trying to get oil pressure. Put the distributor back in, same way it was, making sure it's all the way down, just like I did 3 or 4 other times. Took the oil filter off, cranked it over. And all my oil smelled out on the floor. So now we have oil pressure, and now all my oil is on the floor, but we're making way.